In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to look at how to draw the monster of all sharks, the great white shark. For a more detailed step-by-step approach, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com. Let's go ahead and get started. Begin the drawing by drawing a large oval. This oval will be the body of the great white shark. Add a line to the left of the oval for the snout of the shark, and add a line on the right of the oval for the tail end of the shark. Remember to keep your lines light in the beginning of your drawing. Now, draw the dorsal fin on the great white. Notice how the dorsal fin shape is actually closer to the rear of the shark. Also, draw the shape for the tail of the shark. Draw a shape coming from the bottom of the shark to represent the right bottom fin as well. Now you can begin to add some character to the great white shark by adding the eye and the line like the one in the picture for the mouth. Also draw a shape like the one seen here to represent the left fin. Notice how long the left fin is compared to the right fin. Can you see the shark yet? In this step of the drawing, you'll want to add a small line to indicate the bottom jaw of the beast. Also draw a random line down the middle of the body of the great white. This line will indicate where the gray part of the upper body meets the white underbelly. Add a couple of small fins towards the back of the shark as well. Now you've got enough information to finish your drawing of the great white shark. Again, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com for a detailed step-by-step tutorial.